Follow your heart. Follow your beat. Honda Beat. Let your beat out.
Motorcycle News is brought to you by
The views and opinions of the host and the guest does not reflect the show or the network. For your comments and suggestions, you may just email it to motorcyclenewsmagazine@gmail.com.
Good morning, Cicloistas! My name is Joel Hoya and you are watching Motorcycle News Talk Show. On our news and events, we went to MX Misaya Fairgrounds kung saan naganap ang Diamond Motocross Series Leg 4. And of course, we also went to Buendia, San May Wheeltech, Makati to cover the Motor Rally 5 24 hours and 30 hours Endurance Challenge. And we also have our bike reviews for today. We have the Ducati Multistrada and the Ducati Scrambler. At hindi naman papahuli ang Italjet Formula 125 na ni-review ng ating editor na si Mr. John Mendoza and of course ang ating talk show host na si Mr. Mel Aquino. So please stay with us and we will bring you these stories. So stay tuned. Okay, for our news and events, no? We went to MX Misaya Fairgrounds kay Papa Pastor Santamayo kung saan naganap ang Diamond Motocross series nila. This is the leg 4. So, watch on, guys.
Great show, and it's an honor to be here as well, so having fun.
Describe some of the tricks that you're gonna do, or give us some tips later on.
I'm gonna do something that I usually do with my drift car. It's called the rodeo, so I'm gonna be drifting the car from outside.
Join us, guys, who owns the Mirage here, even also the Diamond Motors Corporation. Thank you so much for inviting us here in your event. Visit our website at www.miragepilipinas.com.
Galing, di ba? Those guys really can rock it. Yan ang tinatawag na sport. Now, after nitong sport na to, pumunta naman kami sa Motor Rally 5. Of course, as JAD Media, We were the one who organized the event together with Spider, Wiltec, and Petron. So guys, puntahan natin to.
Okay, so mga sikluistas, nandito tayo ngayon sa Buendia, Makati, kung saan nagaganap ang assembly ng Spider, Wiltec, Petron Motor Rally Year 5. So mga sikluistas, tara, mas tayo sa loob.
Sa Motor Rally, ito yung first ko kasama sa checklist, so kailangan na tapusin.
Medyo mag-ingat lang po, ilayo natin yung tingin natin kasi minsan may mga bulaga talagang walang road signs, magugulat na lang kayo, dead end pala. Ganun.
Well, before mga endurance event, sinasalihan ko, but then, yung Motor Rally 5, sabi nila mahirap daw, gusto ko subukan.
So you're up to the challenge?
Yeah.
Siyempre, kanina natulog ng maaga para ma-energize. So, basta nagpahinga lang ako ng maaga, then pumunta na ako rito ng hapon.
Physical conditioning and mental. Kailangan kasi yung mindset mo maganda para matapos mo ang event ito. Kasi 1,600 to. And this is considered one of the toughest endurance challenges.
Okay, so alam naman po natin, Fami, checkpoint is already gone. Sa Lumban tayo magkakaroon ng checkpoint. Alright, that's our second checkpoint, Lumban, Laguna.
Siguro masasabi ko lang syempre ride your own pace. May mga sabay ka o kung di mo kayang sabayan, huwag mo ipilit. Kasi doon na tayo nagkakaroon ng risk When we push our boundaries, when we push our limits, doon tayo nagkakaproblema. So, consistency lang.
Pagdating kasi sa endurance, dalawang klase lang yan So, yung motor mo tsaka ikaw So, kung meron kang magandang tandem sa motor mo, so definitely matatapos mo yan. Tsaka faith, kailangan nandun sa isip mo makatapos ka.
Gaya ng sinabi kay Raymond, magdasal lang lagi, keep focused, at saka keep your cool, at saka pag inaantok, bumaba ng motor, huwag tuloy-tuloy, baka ma-aksidente.
Sir Aris, kamusta yung first time nyo ba sasali ng Motor Rally 5?
Opo, first time po. Newbie lang po.
So, you join us sa group?
Apo. 4 or 5 po kami ng Naked Wolves na kasali.
Alright, so ano mo strategy na pwede nyo gawin? Pag binitawan na kayo mamayang 10 o'clock?
Ako po, may buddy po ako, si Rolando Belina. Then, lang po, relax lang, then enjoy lang po tayo. Ganun lang tayo.
Mag-ingat po kayo lahat. Be careful sa pagmamaneho, sa traffic. Alam nyo naman yung daanan natin sa Pilipinas. Maraming mga tumatawid na tao, tricycle. Marami po dyan mga danger spots. So ingat lang po all the way hanggang makauwi. It doesn't matter po kung makatapos o hindi. Not so much as yung safety ninyo na makauwi kayo ng safe to your family.
Okay, so siklistas, ito na po ang Spider, Wiltec, Petron, Motor Rally 5. Riders are now getting ready. This is one epic ride. Mga siklistas, watch out for it. 3, 2, 1,
So sikluistas, yun ang naganap sa Motor Rally 5 sa May send-off. Kung makikita nyo, everybody, all the participants are excited para sa 1,600 kilometers challenge na ito. Huwag pala kayong aalis, magbe-break po muna tayo. Inumin ko muna ang kape ko.
The all-new Bike MZ40 Revamp. CAGI 2014 to 2015 Subcompact Van of the Year.
Nasa'yo ang kapangyarihan, nasa'yo ang pagkakataon at tagumpay. May bago.
Narito na ang bagong umagang hinihintay mo.
May bagong umaga, bagong pag-asa.
Model start at 468,000 pesos.
Welcome back, Cicloistas. Ngayon po, we have 3 bikes on review. For the first bike, we have the Ducati Multistrada, reviewed by our very own Mel Aquino. So, watch on.
Mga Cicloistas, ako si Mel Aquino at nandito tayo ngayon sa Bike Review. Alright, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang isa sa mga pinakamalulupit, mga pinaka-dream bikes ng lahat halos ng mga motorista. Walang iba kundi ang Ducati Multistrada 1200S. Ito po ay galing sa Ducati Philippines at kung mapapansin nyo po, this bike is more on the touring side, no? So, pero merong kakaiba sa motor na ito dahil ito po ay merong 4 na mode. Kung papansin po natin ang mode ng motor na ito, pagka-check natin, okay, so this is a keyless motorcycle. Kumbaga, kailangan lang naman niya is malapit ang inyong susi dito sa motor na ito, sa Ducati na to. Okay, so ang susi na ito ay kakaiba. This is a wireless key. It's a keyless entry. Kumbaga, if you can see the key, ito ba may microchip sa loob. To? So kung halimbawa mga 2 meters, 5 meters, tumayo ka sa motor, hindi na-aandar ang inyong motorsiklo. So ngayon, habang ito ay nakadikit malapit sa motor, pwede mo siyang paandarin using only the electric starter. So ayan. So pag lumayo kayo, gamit ang susi na to, ito po ay mag-automatic shut off. Okay? Then, nakakaiba rito as it has 4 different modes. The mode has sport mode, meron din siyang touring mode, at meron siyang urban mode at saka enduro mode. So sa ngayon, bago tayo to make off, ito po, pagka inilagay mo sa sports mode ang motorsiklo na ito or sa kanyang tuning, ito po ay tatakbo at kaya mag-release ng 1,500 horsepower. No? So napakalakas po because it's a 1200cc and kanyang sports mode ay isa sa mga pinakamagandang gamitin. If we move on to the touring, medyo babait ng konti yung kanyang delivery, yung kanyang horsepower delivery. So talagang parang merong 4 na motorsiklo sa iisang unit lang. Para hindi ka magulat kaagad sa power, you can adjust the power of the Ducati Multistrada 1200S sa urban mode kung saan hindi siya maglalabas kaagad ng malakas na power. Kumbaga, hindi kanya gugulatin katulad ng mga ibang malalaking motorsiklo na pag sinakyan mo, pag walang mode selection, magugulat ka dahil mabigat po ang power ng motorsiklo. So bukod sa malaki po itong motorsiklo na ito, mapapagaan naman niya yung kanyang handling sa magitan ng pagpili dito sa 4 na mode ito. So we have the sport, touring, urban, and enduro mode. Then, marami pa rin special features itong motorsiklo na ito. Talaga naman makikita natin ang Italian design dito po sa ating body. So mapapansin nyo, it's a red Ducati, which is a very much trademark, yung kulay pula. And then, mapapansin nyo, it's a very big engine with a beautiful ergonomics design. At mapapansin nyo, malaking bagay po yung windshield niya. So makita mo, puro tama na lamok yan bago kami makarating dito sa Subic. And of course, it can improve your what we call this aerodynamics. Ayan. So the suspension adjust, na kayang i-adjust, depende sa mode na gusto nyong i-adjust, no? So per mode kasi merong preload adjustment ang suspension. Front disc brake, 2 rotor disc, and single disc brake sa likod. Because of the power of this bike, kailangan nyo talaga ng magandang stopping power. It is equipped with the Brembo calipers. So 2 po yung nasa harapan. And of course, Brembo rin po yung nasa likuran. Then, let's check the tires. The tires is a Pirelli Diablo Super Corsa. So hindi ho siya po pwede basta gulong lang ang ikakabit nyo rito sa beast na ito. Dahil this bike is very powerful. It needs a powerful brakes like the Brembo. And of course, it needs a very nice grip just like the Pirelli Diablo Super Corsa. So mga Cicloistas, this is the Ducati Multistrada 1200S. Ito po si Mel Aquino at ito po ang Bike Review.
So, ang ganda, di ba guys? Yun ang Ducati Multistrada. Dream bike ko yan. Anyways, there's one more Ducati na we have for review. That is the Ducati Scrambler, reviewed by our very own John Mendoza, our editor. So, watch on.
Mga Swistas, ako si Mel Aquino.
Ako si John Mendoza.
At ito ang bike review. Yan, Paps, we have a new bike to review for today.
Yeah.
Ano itong motor na to, Papi?
This is the Ducati Scrambler Classic model. Basically, there's 4 variants. There's the Icon, Urban Enduro, and Full Throttle. Tapos itong ang Classic.
Well, pagka sinabi Classic, ang kulay niya is more on the orange sunshine na tinatawag nila na
yes, there is only one color for this model. Tapos, it has spoke wheels, unlike the other 2 models. So, to me, actually, out of all 4 models, ito yung pinaka-type ko yung tsura.
Yung spoke type.
Talagang old school.
Medyo old school kasi medyo mas classic ang dating pagka nakarayo siya, no? Then, kung mapapansin natin, Pops, we have this aluminum fender, yung harapan sa yung
as opposed to dun sa ibang models na meron lang siyang plastic mudguard sa likod. Ito, naka-aluminum.
Alright.
So, ito medyo parang uprated model from the base na Icon. Tapos, napansin ko dito, it shares the engine with the Monster. It's a 803cc engine. Tapos pareho sila ng Monster. Although medyo iba lang yung tuning yata. Which is really good. Kasi itong bike na to talagang for street and biyahe, usually, very torquey. Hindi siya madulo. Puro nasa ibaba. Hindi ka cambio ng cambio, hindi ka revolution ng revolution. So, it's perfect for the street and for long rides.
Yes, so napansin din natin dito, Pops, is kung ang kanyang design is more on the classic mga off-road bikes, kaya talagang scrambler.
Scrambler.
So, noong mga 1970s mga sikluistas, ito yung mga usong-usong motor nung araw.
Itsura.
Usong itsura.
Yeah. Although for this bike, I wouldn't recommend you to take this off-road. Pero with the tires naman, itong tires nito, these Pirellis were designed for the Scrambler. Specifically designed for this bike. And very impressed ako dun sa gulong na yan kasi kahit gamitin mo siya on-road, kahit ihiga mo yung motor, kapit na kapit pa rin siya kasi malambot eh. Tapos, sa wet and sa maputik, maganda rin siya kasi ang dami niyang ang dami niyang
paglabasan nung tubig, no? So, it can also help dun sa hydroplaning.
Definitely, hindi mag-hydroplaning sa dami ng grooves niya.
Yes. Pero of course, napansin ko, Pops, the handlebars are medyo raised up ng konti dahil talagang more on off-road na relax ang riding posture niya.
The riding position is very relaxed. And it's also roomy enough for you to move around. Kung medyo sportier ka na rider, nakakaposisyon ka kasi maganda yung hindi ka cramp, di ba? Tapos relax ka, hindi ka mapapagod masyado sa malayong biyahe.
And of course, the seat is made of leather seat siya, no? So mapapansin din natin yung pagiging classic talaga niya, yung inspired talaga siya.
Yes. Tapos ang kapal ng kutsyon. So yung puwet mo hindi makakatulog guys.
So komportable ka.
Gaano kalayo yung biyahe.
Yeah. Now, of course, we have this most modern technology na yung engine is
of course 803cc engine Desmo 2 valves per cylinder, typical L-type Ducati. Yung character ng ito ng Ducati pare, yung tunog nito very addictive sa akin Before kasi I used to have one also, pero yung pagka binira mo, tapos yung gearing niya, konti pa lang yung tunog, malayo na yung andar mo. Ang sarap niya gamitin
So mga Screwstars, would like to check out the Ducati Scrambler, punta lang kayo dito sa Ducati Manila, Bukirin at Katipunan.
More extensive review, wait for our issue in the magazine.
Yeah.
We have a more detailed review of the bike.
So yun, mga Screwstars, ako muli, si Malakino.
Ako si John Mendoza.
At ito ang Bike Review.
Okay guys, nakita niyo yung Scrambler. If you can see, no, if you notice pala, we have two bikes na talagang high ends. And we have one scooter high-end model din. This is the Italjet Formula 125. Watch on.
Mga Screwstars, ako si Malakino.
Ako si John Mendoza.
At ito ang Bike Review. Sa ngayon mga Screwstars, we have the new launch Italjet Moto Formula 125. Okay, so the history of Italjet in Italy, it was originated in Italy, di ba?
Yes, yes.
At syempre, gumagawa sila ng mga bisikleta, ng mga scooters, and
from way back in 1959, yan ang ginagawa nila.
Well, pag-usapan naman natin ang Italjet Formula 125. So this is a twin disc brake.
Yes.
So mapapansin natin yung front and rear, it is equipped with rotor disc.
Yes, na mas malaki yung, unlike with a conventional motorcycle, ito, mas malaki yung rear disc brake niya kaysa doon sa harap. Kasi, syempre nga naman, pag scooter, all the weight is at the back.
Yes.
Kasi nandito yung makina niya eh.
Ang disc brake niya in front is a 190mm hydraulic.
Yes.
And yung rear talaga, gaya na sabi mo, malaki, 205mm, and it is also operated by hydraulic.
Yes.
So the rear suspension is a unit swing, hydraulic shock, adjustable preload. So, ibig sabihin, i-adjust po yung suspension niya.
Yung preload lang, yung spring type.
Preload, oo. Then, the transmission is a CVT, a continuously variable transmission, and it has a centrifugal type na clutch. Then, of course, it is a transistorized ignition system with electronic ignition control, or it is a CDI, to be exact.
Is it fuel injected?
For now, this is a, I think this is a carburetor type. And it's a one-cylinder 4-stroke with a petrol engine.
Okay.
So, gasoline type po siya.
So, para dun sa mga mahilig, mga likot dyan, total, this is a sport scooter. Very sporty. O, kung gusto nyo kalikutin yung carburetor, pwede.
Pwede rin, di ba?
Yes.
Eh, nakagandahan nito, no? It is LED, ang ilaw niya.
Yes.
So, ang nagustuhan ko rito is yung park light niya. Ayan, yung park light is an LED. Then, yung kanyang headlight is also an LED, may high and low beam. Of course, pag nag-signal light ka, LED rin. So, mapapansin mo talagang napaka-futuristic po pag gumawa ang Italjet. Kumbaga, nauuna siya lagi sa mga bagong technology.
Ito, mapapansin nyo dito. For sure, napunan nyo na medyo nagre-resemble siya dun sa 1098, 1198 na Ducati. Yung front end niya, yung kanyang headlights, parang ganun yung tsura halos eh. Kaya ang gwapo talaga nito scooter na to.
Yes, of course. And then it's also start with electric starter at meron din siyang kickstarter.
Yes.
So, ano po ba napansin natin na maganda rito sa Italjet na to?
Napansin ko nung gamit natin kanina, Paps, ang gaang nitong scooter na to. Ang gaang niya liko, saka pagka niliko mo siya, nag-hold siya ng line. Actually, pwede ka pang pwede mo pang i-bank pa eh.
Oo. So, napansin ko nga lang dito, kailangan siguro tanggalin yung center stand if you're on a serious note. Oo, kung mga more on talagang kaya mo nang ihiga itong motor na to because matangkad siya and kumbaga, yung mga common, mga Italjet talaga is matataas ang matataas ang seat height niya.
For European kasi.
Oo, European market, medyo syempre, mga katulad nating 5'6", medyo matataasan ka ng konti rito. Pero it was designed as an Italian scooter talaga. Okay, so ano pa ang kagandahan ng scooter na Italjet? Well, kasabay siya ng mga karaniwang mga scooter natin na may malaking compartment.
Yes.
And of course, by the click of a switch, pwede nyo buksan yung upuan, then it can hold a full face helmet. Right?
Ano, so, large yan, ano?
Malaki to. Medium large. Oh, so, malaki yung compartment niya. Then, of course, the gasoline tank is at the rear. So, makikita nyo naman, mas madaling i-access. And of course, ang kagandahan pa nito ay yung kanyang mga tapakan. Eh, talagang kung mag-aangkas ka, walang problema.
Yes,
Pillion ride.
May knurlings.
Oo, may knurlings siya.
Hindi dudulas yung paa masyado. Unlike pagka rubber yung nakakapit dyan. Pag madulas.
Tama. And then of course, sa inyo po makikita ang Italjet Formula 125. Ito po ay makikita nyo at available sa showroom at 102 P. Tuason Street, Cubao, Quezon City sa Access Plus. It is the official distributor of Ital Motojet in the Philippines. So nagpapasalamat po kami kay Mr. Toti Alberto for allowing us to test ride the new Italjet Formula 125 and Sir Ted Alberto. Ayan, maraming salamat po. So mga siklistas, if you're looking for a serious scooter, if you're a serious rider looking for a serious scooter, this is the scooter for you.
Yes.
So, the Italjet Formula 125. So, mga muli siklistas, ako si Bel Aquino.
Ako si John Mendoza.
At ito ang Bike Review.
Okay, siklistas, nakita nyo yung Italjet Formula 125. So, lahat-lahat ng ating bike review, ito yung Ducati Multistrada, Ducati Scrambler, and the Italjet Formula 125. These are the best brands you can buy because quality na, cool ka pa sa daan. Okay guys, that's what we have in store for you this morning. So next week, abangan nyo po ang more stories that we can provide for you. For that, we also want you to have an interaction with us, especially kung may mga gusto kayong pa-review sa amin or mga events na gusto namin cover, you can invite us or text us, or even email us. Our email address nga pala is motorcyclonewsmagazine@gmail.com. And for more stories, you can visit our website at www.motorcyclonews.com. At kung hindi nyo pa nalalike ang aming Facebook fan page, search nyo lang Motorcyclo News Mag. And for that, my name is Joel Hoya of Motorcyclo News Magazine. Till the next time we meet, keep supporting Motorcyclo News Talk Show. Before we say goodbye na lang putol na kasi, okay? Pagtuloy-tuloy ko pa. Sige, tuloy-tuloy ulit.
Natin ngayon for the Spider Wheeltech Petron Motor Rally 5.
Nako, actually marami. Unang-una yung bike maintenance. Ang kulang ko na lang yung tulog. Kailangan ko muna matulog. Ilang hours na lang ba? 3 hours na lang. Need to rest. Oo. Tapos, syempre, recon.
Abangan nyo po ang aming pong full coverage nito sa aming Motorcyclo News Talk Show. Every Sunday po yan. Bakit na nagko-close? Ulit. Okay. 5, 4.
Okay, 5, 4, 3. Motorcyclo News is brought to you by
Hey, let's go shopping.
Again?
Yes.
Why?
I need a new dress.
We just bought one.
But I want to add more.
Add?
Yes, dress.
Add?
Dress.
Add?
Dress.
Add?
Dress.
Add?
Dress.
Add?
Dress.
A dress!
Let's go.
The bike of the future is coming. Join the evolution.